The opening line with its magical incantatory power evokes the historical process, turning and turning in the widening gyre. The gyre image comes from Yeats' prose book. He believes the era is coming to an end. The outer gyre is closing and there is a movement in the inner gyre. The falcon cannot hear the falconer. The falcon reaches beyond the command of falconer. As a result, things fall apart. There is a crashing of things in the world. There is a complete splitting of the reality, of its image of reassurance, its condition of reassurance. The center cannot hold. The center is the cohesive force that binds the whole wheel together, but it cannot hold, and now mere anarchy is loose upon the world. There is a cultural breakdown, fragmentation, anarchy, disintegration. This is the picture of apocalypse. Mere anarchy is loosened upon the world, the blood-dimmed tide is loosed. So the controlling images, the blood-dimmed, there is a bloody deluge in the world. A bloodbath is there, and this is the picture of the horrors of the Great War. And everywhere the ceremony of innocence is drowned. The value of the bygone era, innocence, courtesy, they are submerged in this bloody deluge. There is a complete loss of serenity in the world. The best lack conviction, while the worst are full of passionate intensity. There is a change in the world. The worst people, they are empowered. And the sound people, they are completely dislodged. They lack the capacity. Now, the closing stanza of 14 lines is a dramatic presentation of a visionary image. Let's watch the image on the stage. Surely some revelation is his hand. The poet believes it's the time of the coming of a Messiah, because the things have reached the nadir, the lowest point of morality. So he believes this is the right time for the coming of a Messiah avatar. You call it Christ or you call him Christ. Surely the second coming is at hand. But the poet subvert here the hope, the popular belief of Christianity that the Christ will be born. He says Antichrist image is visible on the horizon. So let's see this beast image. The second coming, hardly are those words out when a vast image out of Spirit Monday troubles my sight. It's a huge phoenix-like image, and his vision is troubled by the sight of this image, and he looks intently upon it. Hardly are those words out when a vast image out of Spiritus Mundi. This image is rising out of Anima Mundi or Spiritus Mundi or collective unconscious, because